Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We're going to make slime today. Are you ready to mix these ingredients and make slime with me? Okay, let's begin. This is the measuring cup. We're going to take the glue and measure 40 mils. We have to measure 40 milliliters. Number 40 is over here. We stop at number 40. We put too much. Let's put a bit back. That's 40. Okay, now we're going to take the mixing bowl and pour the glue inside. These are the instructions that I'm reading that are going to help us make the slime. Okay, I wonder what the next step is. Let me have a read. We're going to take our measuring spoon and add 1 spoon of slime activator to this glue. Where is our measuring spoon? This is the measuring spoon. Okay, this is the slime activator. Let's use this spoon. Are you ready? Let's stir. It's going to slowly turn into slime. Let's keep stirring. We have to wait for it to form a slimy consistency. Like this. Look, it's becoming slime. We have to mix more. Look at that. Okay, what's the next step? We have to take more slime activator to make it a bit more slimy. Just a little bit. Okay, let's keep mixing to make it gooey. It's turning into slime. Let's use our hands to see if we're happy with the texture. Should we add more slime activator to make it a bit more gooey? Let's add a little bit more. Whoops. There we go. We're going to use our hands. There we go. It looks good now. Now we're going to take some of the magic powder to add to it and make it look green. This is so cool. Let's use our hands. We're going to put this cloth over here so we don't make a mess. icky, sticky slime. It's so gooey. Ooh, so gooey and green. Let's use this green dye to make it more green. We're going to add a few drops. Look at that. Look how gooey and slimy this is. We're making such a big mess. What should we add now? Let's add some of these beads. Whoa! Cool! It's like we're cooking slime. Let's clean our hands and see what this is. It's slime in a bag. Whoa, look how stretchy it is. You know what we're going to do? Let's add these dino bones to this slime. Can you see the dino bones in there? We also have little dinosaurs. Dinosaur glitter. So cool. Let's add this bead. They're blue beads. We're making such a mess. Look what we have. We have a green one. Let's also open the green one and mix it with the blue. Are you ready to mix them together? Whoa, that's so cool. This is so much fun. What color is your favorite slime? That's cool. Thank you so much for helping me make slime today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.